Hey SurfNav, this is Walt, a SurfNav instructor, and today we're going to be walking through an estimated time of arrival, or ETA problem. For this video, we are transiting from an operational box, or op box, off the coast of Hawaii to the port of Vladivostok, Russia. We decided to solve this problem on a digital whiteboard because it promotes learning far more than just stepping through a PowerPoint. It also makes us feel like we're doing the problem together in the SurfNav classroom on one of our own whiteboards. Maybe you're watching this for a little extra help because it took you a little longer than you thought to do the problem, or maybe you got the problem wrong. All good. We made this video so that you can see one of the many ways to do an ETA problem. You can pause this video as much as you want, rewind, etc. to help you learn. Our format may be a little different than yours, and that's great. There are probably 5 or 6 ways to do an ETA problem. We love to see different ways to do things, and we encourage you to show us those different ways as well. At SurfNav, we expect you to get the right answer and show your work no matter the method you use. Because once you're in the fleet, you'll be doing ETA problems multiple times a day and making sure that VMS or ECDIS is doing them correctly as well. If, after watching this video, you still have questions, feel free to bring them into class and ask any SurfNav instructor for tips or tricks on how to do these problems. We did many of these at sea ourselves, and we want to help you out as well because ETA problems are also on the midterm and final exams at SurfNav. So let's get started. Here's our problem. You depart your op box off the Hawaii coast in latitude 21 degrees, 18 minutes north, longitude 158 degrees, 28 minutes west at 11:30 zone time on 11 November 2023, bound for Vladivostok, Russia. Your ISIC ordered your SOA, or speed of advance, to be 18.0 knots, and the approximate distance is 3,725 nautical miles. What is your estimated zone time of arrival at Vladivostok? You'll also see that our tolerance is the SurfNav tolerance, plus or minus 15 minutes. So from this information, we can pull a few things. First off, for time, speed, distance, if we have 2 of the 3 of those, time, speed, or distance, then we can solve for the third. So based off of this information, we have everything we need to solve this problem. We have the distance, 3,725 nautical miles. We also have the speed, 18 knots is our SOA. And for time, which we're solving for, we have part of it. We have the first part, which is we need to depart at 11:30 zone time on 11 November 2023. What we need to do is solve and figure out, based off of the departure time and the speed and the distance, what time we arrive in Vladivostok. Now that we have our given information, let's take a big picture look at how we're going to solve this problem. There are many different ways to solve an ETA problem. We're going to show you one way that we know works, and it's up to you whether or not you use this way or your own way. Again, make sure you get the right answer and you show your work. So for this way, one of the many ways, we break it down into 4 different steps. The first thing we're going to need to do is convert our departure zone time into GMT. Once we've done that, we'll do our time, speed, distance calculations to figure out how long it's going to take us to transit from point A to point B. After that, we'll add that transit time to our departure GMT, and that will tell us what time we'll arrive in Vladivostok in GMT. And finally, we'll take that arrival GMT and we'll convert that into the zone time of Vladivostok. In our next video, we'll be tackling that first one. We're going to convert the departure zone time into GMT.